Today was basically a day where the security team led by Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen, they were here to just reconfirm so that they can use this information for security planning.
All security measures have been put in place to secure our visitors in their hotels, and as they also walk in the streets of Nairobi, those who will be, we expect many visitors who will visit our national park and our historical places, and therefore all security measures have been put in place and by the Office of the Inspector General of Police. We have 102 CCTV cameras here, so we are able to see every detail around the stadium, and there are officers who are going to be manning the security cameras throughout, when there is a match and when there is no match.